Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the ice wire harness cover in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the left side refrigerator door and pull out the ice bucket. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screws securing the ice wire harness cover. With the screw unthreaded, you can pull the old cover straight out to remove. To install the new ice wire harness cover, align the tabs on the cover with the slots in the ice maker housing and push the cover straight back. Thread the screw to secure. Replace the ice bucket. Plug the power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.